Alright folks, what we have here is a 2011 CRV Honda. I'm going to change the cabin air filter. It is a CAF 1781. And like most cabin air filters, it's found behind the glove box. So to access it, we have to open up the glove box. If there's stuff like this, content, we have to empty that out. Because what happens is the door is going to tilt and everything's going to fall out anyway. So let's go do that first. Empty some of this stuff out. And then we'll continue. Alright, so once it's empty, if you notice, there's a little tiny shock over here. A little thumb mark there. Just got to push it down. It'll unlatch from this door. Okay, just a little hook. And over here, you got to push in this side and that side. Squeeze them together and it unlatches this corner. Let's see if I can do it with one hand this way. Nope. Gotta use two hands. And the filter's right underneath that. Alright, let's continue. Like I said, grab this side, that side, squeeze it together. Okay, you're releasing these little tabs over here in the corners, and this will drop down. Then underneath in there, let me grab this camera. Underneath in there, your filter's found in this nice little rectangle piece up on top. Okay, there's a tab over here in the corner. Same tab on this side. I'm gonna squeeze them together. And you're gonna pull it out slowly. And slowly only because you never know what's in those things when they come out. Oh, I see some stuff coming out already. There you go. That's what's in your cabin air filter, people. All right. Just see the dust in there. Let's put it down. There you go. Dirty? You think it's dirty? Oh yeah, look at that. Some critters in there. Who knows? But anyway, this is the way the filter came out. We put the new filter in. I'm gonna get you the new filter. Set you up. From AutoZone STP. Take it out of the wrapper. Tough wrappers, I'll tell you. All right. Don't forget, the writing says airflow and has an arrow. So if you look at this panel here, it tells you the airflow, the arrow going down. So we're going to flip this down like this, and I'm going to rearrange it so that it looks exactly the way this one came out. The hard sides over to the left and the right. So let's shake this all off. Like this. Okay, airflow is down. Airflow is down. I'm going to let it sit in there nicely. I'm going to toss it in there. Let's go do that. Set you up here again. It'll slide right in there like it's going into a shelf. Okay, push it in. Two tabs should lock. You should hear it. Okay, simple, easy peasy, right? And then this piece here, let's go this way. It's the part where you're going to put it back up. This goes up. You can just push it right in. You don't have to squeeze the tabs, but if you want to, you can. And then you put your little latch on the side. It's over here. Line it up with this little slot here. Push it up and it's going to latch. And then you're good. All right. Check the door operation. Open and closes. And you're good. All right. Put everything back into the glove box for the contents for the customer, and you're good to go. There's Mr. Waffles and Mr. Peters barking. All right. Thanks for watching, people. Ciao.